Tell him to turn the bright light off.
It is off.
Huh, it's bright. Yes, that new tire, man.
I tell you, man, you're insane if you're doing it on this bike.
You think we can get it back there? And I'll just
Start over.
like pulled up with this handle over there. Come up.
Oh, you got it from there, don't you?
I know, it's too wet.
I know, I'm fucking with you, man.
Heavy.
280 something with fluids. There's probably just enough moisture on that rock.
Hell yeah, I know about those. Plenty. I've been slipping in there in mud more than this.
You have first-hand experience. Now you're very entertaining riding behind. Hey, did they put dirt on that? Yeah, be careful not to scratch it.
Be careful what?
Not to scratch it.
Dale, Justino. It's heavy, eh?
Oh, I know. I haven't made it the last time.
You got it. Wow, years experience. You.
I've made it before, but then I haven't made it too.
I've been hauling that beast all day.
Hey, why do you think you're riding it? Yeah, I've made it up before. We're gonna have confidence and hit it just right. And slip that clutch.